Ciao, hello. Today I will be talking about some sounds, words, and some Italian gestures. Alright, first thing we need to know, there are hard vowels and soft vowels. The hard vowels are A, O, and U, whereas the soft vowels are I and E. Alright, so CA is pronounced ka, and CE is pronounced che. So the A makes the C sound hard, and the E makes the C sound soft. Che, che. All right, so we have ka and che. Well, what are we gonna do if we want a cha sound, as in chow? Put an I in between the C and the A, so C-A-I will make the cha sound. And if we want a ke sound, we're gonna put a silent H in between the C and the E, C-H-E, to make che. Ciao bella, mi piace la pizza. Grazie mille, prego, arrivederci. Alright, now the hand gestures are kind of a little tricky because it's not only about the hand gestures, it's also about the facial gestures. So this, depending on what your face is saying, is going to mean two different things. Means, what the and means you're confused. I'm thirsty. You're stupid. You're smart. Get the out of here.